Hey there viewers, welcome back to Brave All Trades. I'm going to have a really short one for you guys today. This one was dropped off and chain won't move. First thing you want to do is try to pull the chain brake back. You'll notice it doesn't want to reset. When you pull it back, chain still really doesn't move. And something I noticed was the chain is loose on that side, but look how the nuts are on the bar. So the nuts, this one here is not even bottomed out, and this one here is somewhat bottomed out, and the case is kind of hanging off to the side. I wouldn't normally do a video about this, but I've seen it so many times, it's kind of crazy. I'm going to show you before I take it apart and fix it what's actually occurred. If you look, see that chain adjuster right there? That chain adjuster bar that's connected to this screw right here. And by the way, the case is bubbled out right here as well, is pushing on the bar, not inside the hole of the bar. So basically, the bar wasn't inside the chain adjuster. Somebody tried to tighten it up with that on there, and then look how the chain brake is. So the chain brake's not even around the drum, and it's somewhat bent. So let's get it apart, put all this stuff back together. Generally you can put those together as long as unless it has gone too far. So, sometimes when somebody takes this off of here, oh yeah, it's gone too far. Alright, I say sometimes when somebody takes this off of here, the chain brake will go to the forward position and they don't know how to reset it before putting it back on here. This chain brake obviously has gone way beyond, but you'd want to grab the case, grab a vise, grab something like that, put something to press against, and you can usually push down and reset it. There you go, and then that's the reset position. So if it was tripped, it would be in that forward position, that locked position. But like I said, we have to put a new brake on here anyway. But very likely, somebody put it on there, tried to start it up, ran it, and it burned right through the brake band. Hope you guys got something out of the video. If you did, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, helps the channel. So thanks for hanging out with me, guys.